And I think that's basically everything for the whole song. Some bass. So which key? What is the key we are on here? So at key of G. Yeah, just you can see, just something simple, just a very simple vibe.
Make I dive inside you, make I jump this your walk, make I suck your no body like below and above. Make I dive inside you, make I jump this your walk, make I suck your no body like below and above.
Nice. And you know, this is a vibe, easily done, quite easily done, just having a nice guitar melody. Up to you, this vibe. So for me, guys, I'll just say spend time creating. If you can't get like a live guitarist, just try to spend time creating some nice, learning how to create, play with articulations. It's just gonna give you an edge, you know, when it comes to creating that realistic sounding guitar melody. So I hope you got something from this. For me, this is a fire vibe, and I think you guys think so too. So if you love this video, I really want to see more amazing videos, just poof, give me a thumbs up. And I'm not gonna drop this FLP, but I'm just gonna drop, you know, the loops, the one shot I used on this. I'm just gonna drop it for you guys in the Patreon, so you can just, you know, create your own vibe using the stuff I also use. So if you want to be in the Patreon, or if you want to be on the Patreon, and the link is going to be in the description of this video. And you know, once you join the Patreon, you get amazing goodies. My last pack I also dropped is available on the Patreon, so definitely want to be a part of that community. Thank you guys for watching, and before we go, I'm just gonna play this vibe once more, and see you guys in the next one.